the basket of fruits that I am making. You have to have a cake. It has to be a big cake, but I have made a small one. This is very good for a big buffet or something. You can do it on a mirror and have it in a big way. Now I have made the fruit salad with few fruits. You can use any fruit you want. I have used papaw, dates, mango, little lime juice and little sugar. That's all. And you have to take out the inside of this cake custard so that you could put the fruits in there. Now I have to fill the fruit salad, I have added all the ingredients of the fruit salad. It has to be colorful. You can use even this pears and nice things, but I have just taken the local one. Even melon is good. I think colorful watermelon. Now I have to have the handle. This is the basket handle, right? These are cherries, the green ones and red ones you can buy from the place where they sell these cake ingredients. These are tulsi leaves. Actually they are called basil that you use for cooking. Otherwise you can't just take whatever you want. You have to keep something that you eat. Now I have finished preparing the basket of fruits. Actually I have done it in a very small way. You can really do it big, nice, take big one and have it really nice. So you can do it bigger and do it on a mirror, or it will be very effective and it's tasty also. You can also eat with ice cream if you like, or custard.